guys. Ooh, this light is not great. So, sorry about the light. The proof for Pragmatic Princess came in, and I haven't opened it. I've been waiting for it all day. Literally every time my dog barks, I'm like, is that the box? Because I wanted to do an unboxing, because we did this together, you and I. This was not a single person journey. I might have written it, but you all brought it to life. And so I wanted to share this moment with you. There we go. I'm really excited to see it. Okay. Now, let me just say that the final copy will be hardcover. This is not. This is a proof, so it's slightly different than what the final product will look like. This is what the cover will look like, but not really. The cover is going to be purple. This is what the cover is going to look like. I think those are the inside pages. Here's the cover. Look at the side. That's the cover. These are the inside pages. I'm guessing. I'm not sure exactly. The cover looks pretty great. And these are the proof pages. So I get to go through these and make sure. Wow. It's pretty incredible to see it. Look how thick that is. You're going to be reading these stories to your kids for a while. I just want to show. Oh, looks so great. Okay. Because the way this was designed, I'm just going to show you one quick thing. Oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful. So the way this book was designed, let's see if I can do this because it's not bound. Here's the first chapter. Was that each story is 5 pages. So this is the back sheet of that. So you're going to open it and the back will be blank. Right, so this is like front and back. So it'll be like this. And then, so again, like this will be on the back of that. But the point, I'm not even really going to be able to show you, I guess. Oh, this looks so freaking good. Is that at the end of each chapter, yeah, I will be able to show you. Okay, at the end of each chapter, it's going to end. And then there's going to be a blank page. So you don't see the title page of the next chapter. Because I don't know about you, but I have a lot of these compilation 5-minute storybooks. And what happens is you get to the end and you turn the page. And then your child sees the first page of the next story. And they're like, I want to read that one too. And you're like, no, it's bedtime. And I wanted to prevent that. You're welcome, parents. I wanted to prevent that from happening. So I wanted it to end on a blank page. And so your kids won't see the next chapter and be like, another one, unless you want to read another one. Because sometimes you do, and sometimes it's like, go to bed. You guys, this is beautiful. There's also a poster. If you ordered the level in which you got the promotional poster, I could cry. You guys. This is amazing. It looks fantastic. Randall, if you're watching, which I'm sure you are, it looks pretty amazing. All right. That's all for now. I got to read it all now. So, wish me luck. Lots of pages. We'll talk soon. Bye.